Good afternoon and welcome back to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm your host Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. We become to you live from the Singapore FinTech Festival. Joining me for this segment we have Robert Lempka. He is the founder and CEO of Ayondo. And we are going to focus on how trading is changing. Robert, thank you so much for joining us at the festival.
Welcome.
And let's answer that question, how is trading changing?
Okay, I strongly believe that there are two major factors driving the change in trading. One is regulation. Okay, it's the way people onboard to trading platforms. Restrictions which might be imposed by regulators in the offering. So actually, what can actually be offered, in what shape or form can be offered to the audience.
Right.
And the second one, and I think that's probably the more dynamic one, is the technology.
Right.
Right. So there is obviously ongoing technology, a lot more automation. Artificial intelligence taking over, fully automized algorithm, taking over human-driven trading.
All right, so tell us about Ayondo and how is it going to help revolutionize the trading experience?
Yeah, right. So we are running for 10 years. We're a European-based company, but we are listed, actually the first FinTech listing here in Singapore on the SGX. We listed this year in March. And we are about offering trading and investment solutions to retail customers. But we also offer trading investment solutions to business partners, which they then can offer to the retail customers. And our concept, we are focusing on the tech-savvy generation X and Y. Okay, these people have got different needs. They're looking for transparency. They're using for mobile application 24/7. And we have developed a concept where we make it possible for these people to learn more about trading via our offering so-called social trading, which is a concept which allows retail investors to see traders trading live, and the ability to copy them in real time with real money, so to achieve the same investment results. So this is, I guess, the ultimate way of copying a trader's
So if you see something on social media, one of your favorite traders that you follow on Twitter, for example, and he's buying 100 shares of XYZ at $50, 50 euro, whatever it is, you can trade that exact trade wherever the price is at that point and mimic exactly what he or she is doing.
Exactly. You open an account with Ayondo and you mimic exactly the transaction that person is doing in your account.
You could execute through Ayondo.
True, we are a broker. We have brokerage services as well, so we actually execute with Ayondo.
All right.
So everything is kept like an ecosystem.
Right, and then the other thing besides social trading, what are CFDs?
Right, so CFDs is just an instrument, just a wrapper we use. So we are not actually facilitating the trading in real securities because it's quite expensive to use. You pay commission, you pay settlement fees, you pay your bank for your account and so on and so on. And CFDs is a concept which allows you to actually follow the price movement of an underlying asset without actually owing the asset. You have to think about it like, if you give your money to the bank and they promise you to give you like 2% interest rates, okay? You take the money out, you get 2% interest rates up to the point.
Right.
You take the money out. Same here. You deposit the money, you put your money on the movement of the S&P future, for example.
Okay.
So S&P future moves up 10 points. The CFD, the contract for difference, on the S&P future moves up 10 points. The advantage is it's very low cost because of no commission.
Because you're not trading.
Well, you are trading,
right,
but it's an OTC contract.
Got it.
It's an OTC contract, so you're just settling cash. So there's no physical settlement, so it's a very low cost, and you can trade fractions. So you can actually follow with any amount. So you make it accessible to a larger customer group. Right. So for example, if you trade the Dow Jones future, you have to put down like $100,000, trade one contract, right? You can put $100 on a CFD and follow in like a small fraction, but you participate in the price movement.
Well, it's a good way for traders to learn how futures markets work, too.
Exactly. You don't have to put in, hundreds of thousands of dollars in there. You can open an account with us for like $2,000 and participate in the professional trading strategies.
Well, thank you so much for joining us at the FinTech Festival, and thank you for joining me throughout the day. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.